Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check Chevy Cruze transmission fluid. First, park your vehicle on a flat, level surface to ensure an accurate reading. Next, gather your tools. You'll need a wrench, a drain pan, and possibly a funnel. It's crucial to let your engine warm up to its normal operating temperature before proceeding, as this affects fluid expansion and the accuracy of the check. This preparation ensures you get the most reliable measurement. Now, let's find the transmission fluid dipstick. On most Chevy Cruze models, it's typically yellow and located near the engine. If you're having trouble, your owner's manual will provide the precise location. You might need to remove some engine covers to gain clear access. Take your time to ensure you're working with the correct dipstick, as there are often several under the hood. With the engine warm, carefully pull out the transmission fluid dipstick. Wipe it completely clean with a lint-free cloth. Now, reinsert the dipstick all the way back into its tube, ensuring it's seated properly. Pull it out one more time and observe the fluid level. It should fall between the hot or full marks on the dipstick, indicating an adequate level. When you check the fluid, it should appear reddish-pink and be free of any dark particles or a burnt smell. If the fluid level is low, you'll need to add the specific type of transmission fluid recommended for your Chevy Cruze, usually listed in your owner's manual. If it's dark or smells burnt, it might be time for a fluid change. Also, remember to stay hydrated while working on your car. Check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.